see that correction, and if we lose it on a bigger time frame, we should see more downside. But yeah, I kind of like that 25k yesterday, but I didn't see that 800 actually. It will sell off that much again. Makes sense though.
The best trader alive.
Oh, did you take a silver short and Nasdaq short overnight then? 1,000 contracts each. Yeah.
Honestly, I kind of wish I did, because when I said something to Alex, I think like 2 days later, it spiked down.
Yeah. But
But again, it was
but
too volatile.
you know,
So
yeah, I am quite good at the same as Alex, direction, but it's a whole different way to find good entries and trade it.
yeah,
So,
I
so
would have to. I would have to been basically perfect for silver and gold shorts
yeah,
for
yeah.
long term. I'm I'm not going to be using my mic today, guys. There's going to be I'm helping move, but I couldn't miss the signal.
Okay. Are you moving, or
No, I'm
before
helping my
going more?
aunt move.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. Well done. Well done helping your family. I like that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Um, yeah. Yeah. You seen this? Yeah. You seen the same case. Yeah. See, that's the same case with me on Spy here. So that's why I said that before. Yeah. Yeah. Or we puke this level, and we actually see that deeper retrace. Yeah. 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 Hello. Yeah. How long does it? It's gonna be like that forever, no? Right? Yeah. Yeah. Hello, Money Man. By the way, I cannot see your whole name. Wait. Is it Money Man? No, it's M. Right? Yeah. Hello, M. Wait. M. Yeah, we could see. Oh, um, 4 months back. Yeah. October, November. Yeah. Yeah. But that wedge broke on QQQ, right? So that's or flag. You could call it whatever you want. I think it's wedge more better. Mhm. Remember that? I think we tried to long, but didn't get the longs in, and it went overnight longs from that area or something. I could be wrong, but I think you were looking at that 600. Yeah. And that's why if we break this level, the same with previous week low here, we could also have a lot more room. So that's why good too. Yeah. Always open to both. Yeah. Oh, should you say that to me with my timing on the swings? I am uh, I am down totally on all the swings because of PayPal, and I suck on that. So I think you should make the call. Wait. Oh, it's not that bad. No, you're not up. You're up like 17% or something, I think. Where's Charter now? 224? No, I had better entry than you. No. I think you're not even up 20. I was up 20. I don't think I'm up 20 now, like 19% or something. SATR. Two, yeah, 403.5. Yeah. On Nasdaq? Oh, Google. Yeah, truth first. Let's see. Six. Yes, super good earnings. 6.7. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the weekly close is important here on this bigger structure, I think. Anyway, February is a weak seasonality month overall, so it's kind of funny that we see this starting to sell at the start of the February index. Yes, quite funny. Yeah. You're gonna trade the same size, same stop loss today, Alex? Or do you? Yeah, okay. I don't really want it to go down size, honestly, anyway, because of that stupid rule. I don't like to follow that, but got my first winning day on Fund and X yesterday. I need 4 more. Yeah, I have like 10 winning days, but they are all are too small to count. Stupid 3M and Q. Yeah, VIX is above 20. I'm gonna say your entry was good yesterday. You took it on the reversal entry yesterday, right? Not a breakout. Ja, frukt. Ät din frukt. Ät. Nej. Mm.
I went through too much struggle today to get my Discord on my phone. It was unreal.
Are you gonna trade from your phone?
Yeah.
Um, please have good internet. Don't do it like Philip and lose 10K because of bad internet. It was the most expensive meat I ever bought.
Um, I could possibly do it on my computer. I have a computer downstairs, but I'm moving right now, so
Yeah,
I gotta. It's one or the other. I can't do both at the same time. At least today.
yeah. Do both at the same time instead, Rich. Yes.
Yeah, I do both at
Yeah.
the same time. But
Yeah.
being on the computer, I can't.
Mhm.
Being on the computer and trading, I can't do that today. Listen, Andrew, do you have a
Have what? Do I have? Welcome back. Mhm. Yeah, we need to buy today, I think, or at least tomorrow. If not, it's. I think your idea is buy. Should take the low on Nasdaq here. We're in a 5-minute H at least. See them. Well, hard to chase short after 4% in 2 days, but sometimes that's the idea also if we're gonna go 10% or more. I think NBO had a really bad earnings also. Not bad, but a lot worse than. Oh yes, I think I said that yesterday. Yeah, it's almost down to your entry now, Alex, or at your entry. I think. Is it? Where's 47? I say 47.2. Wait, is that based on the currency difference for us? Maybe. I see some. I see some buying on the CVD on the Nasdaq contracts at this 740 area. Pre-market open here. How much though? So Hugo and Carlos and Adam.
Good morning.
Is your workload better today, Carlos?
Nah,
No, it's a lot. Mm.
yeah. But that's a good thing also.
Yeah. 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 Makes sense on that age there. That buying got some selling on it. I'm buying on the Nasdaq contracts here overall. Quite a lot buying actually. Went back to 0 from minus 600 there. See if Q is going down though. Agree. Yeah, Microsoft sold heavy there. Tesla, Google. Yeah. We have interest down here on the Nasdaq contracts though. So yeah, I still see a lot of buying on the Nasdaq contracts overall. Still the imbalance above on the open print there. Adam, do you also have positive delta on the Nasdaq
Yeah,
contracts here?
at 200 right now.
I add read yeah. Now this would probably be a fake out on the downside. Possibly if we overcome this open price. It was the strongest give up. Yeah. Google also. Yeah. Here comes in real buying. Nice. Yeah, Nasdaq CVD just screen buying there on that low. But you know, timing that and not getting stopped. Yeah. Not that easy. Just look at the 5 minutes then, like, no, it's not, look, doesn't look that low, high, but look at the 1 minute and just, nah, not a chance. And coming back to the, we have a, yeah. We should stop. No, 750. Yeah, so you stop is that. Looks like nothing. I still don't understand. Is your stop at 6-7? Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is amount. Fill. Yeah, fill the 1 minute imbalance there. Yeah. It filled that 1 minute imbalance. No. Yeah, yes, looks good here. And that was so little on the. It filled that imbalance 1 minute. Oh, almost to the tick.
I forgot to put the stop loss.
No, please don't say that. No,
Oh
gonna make me
no.
angry, man.
I'm up $1,000 on this. Sorry.
Yeah.
Huh. Weird.
Yeah. It's just that 1 minute imbalance. Fill it and. Yeah. I just see buying on CVD here. Yeah, that's good. I really like that long also. I just didn't like a stop. But I had my stop at 50, like 54 before, but I changed it. Was like, oh, this is so much points. Yeah. Yeah, CVD just went straight up there. Really liked it. Yeah. It's fine. It's just one trade. I'm trying to be positive. Yeah. I really like that entry a lot also. It's not been a lot of that case. We both really like it. Ah. Well, yeah. Normal volatility would not have been tagged. That was just so much points. Yeah. Yeah, I think we have room. Mhm. Yeah, well done. Dum, dum. Mm. So now I feel a lot better than before. Good read, Alex. I really liked that one. Really, really liked it. Yeah. Also, Avego really strong, by the way. You see that? Yeah. Yeah, 5.7. Still going. I think this should have room to 25k 20 for me. And the 5 here. Filling that. Oh. On ES, this is the retest of the previous week low here, kinda. Yeah. But seeing some selling on the Nasdaq contracts again here. And not again, first time. It's on the open. We just flag though and go higher. Bam. Oh, yeah. Well, Alex, at least I got stopped with 30 points, same as you. Yeah. No, not me. I got smacked. Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest. I forgot to add a stop. That's the only reason why I got it. I didn't know how to add I didn't know how to add a stop on my phone.
Oh, okay. Oh, be careful with that, Rich. I would. Mm, um, yeah. Yeah. Buying now here. Yeah. Yeah, ES for me, we still have VWAP and Pierce Week low right above us. But maybe that it's 60, 70 points on Nasdaq right now. And if it's clear that, then but Apple looking good though. I think Tickers looks quite good. So at 80 entry, 70 points. No. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Mm. We came into resistance on ES there. We were up previous week low. It is sold down quite a lot on Nasdaq there, but yeah. He has reacted that previous week, low VWAP. It looks worse on ES here than Nasdaq. Mm. It's weird, we sold almost that all that upside on Nasdaq contracts, but maybe just consolidating. Also bias on the preload there. And yes. Yes. The preload. Yes, that the buying disappeared from the Nasdaq contracts, which I don't like. Continue upside. Weird. 6862.5 for me. It broke down that flag, right? Oh. Yeah. Where's you gonna have your stop? Okay. Mm. I was able to get the trade on my account. My bracket hit instantly. I wasn't even able to make the 40 points. It said it, I took it, and choop. Yeah. No. But it broke down, so that's also quite normal, though. That structure, right? You weren't right there. Yeah, CVD is sold on the Nasdaq contracts there. The strength disappeared. That's cat bounce strength for now. Yes, but I did not. Yes, did. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Nvidia reacted there, Apple reacted, Microsoft. It doesn't look that strong anymore for me, but this is backtest to that 800 level. Yeah. Yeah. Now I see slight buying starting on the Nasdaq. Not a lot here though, but it was very minor, just a wave. Yep. Yeah, but that was overnight low on ES. And same reaction on open price on Nasdaq. Yeah. 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 Based on ES, previous week low was used as resistance, and then market open at a low. We punched up right to previous week low, resistance again, sold. Now we are to. It's not more volatile than yesterday, Alex. Remember when he got crowned in with that deep sell? We were at 100 plus 8R. We are only at 70 and 80. No, so we trade 100. If you think about it logical, yeah, that first trade, yeah, sure. But the second trade, we would have give it stop in normal climate also there. So I think just take a breather, and if you don't want to trade, of course you're not required to. So we are at 0.2, so this is the lower end, right? So if you were short, you were gonna kind of cover it overnight high from you up. But yeah, Nvidia flipped quite a lot there to the lower end here, but technically it could still hold there. What I meant was, this is possibly a place I don't want to short from, but short into was fine. Or, but yeah. But it doesn't look really strong. Nvidia, yeah, Apple looks good, but Microsoft's still selling quite heavy. Tesla sold overnight low. Mhm. See some interest here. CVD. Yep. And Nvidia should pull down to preload overnight low here. Just right. Apple holding up here. Google could hold that wave up here. Doesn't wanna. Should be supply. Same with Tesla. It was not the best week to size up, at least. I'll be honest with that. Getting slightly wrecked this week. Yep. At least it was 1 MQ and not like go to 6 or 8. Yes. Took out the low there.
I would say it's kind of creating a flag on the 1 minute for downside. I mean, it's also sitting at support. So I mean, I'm not opposed to longs either.
Just gonna send the CVD. I see some open interest on the Nasdaq, but I don't like the chart. No, no. Yeah. I actually think I'm longer here to 760. Just not sure. See that aggressiveness here. I don't see the pressure coming in, but I would want to see this to 760. Feel that imbalance. Rotate up down today, possibly. I don't see this deep sell, but don't listen to me. No, don't give me that. No, don't give me that. Trust yourself, Alex. Trust yourself. Why not? Your first trade was good. Your second was a flag pattern. Yeah, you got stopped. It's fine. But the also thing, like you're gonna be in a bear market where you need to get used to volatility and trade it anyway, right? Can be high for months or years, right? So, but yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, selling here. Come on, Nvidia. What can I want it? That open interest faded there. Quite weak to not see that pop too. Yeah. Made sense there though on the Nvidia. It's weird for me. And is Tesla not moving? What's wrong with it? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just right at overnight low for me. Yeah, something is wrong there. Yeah. Yeah. Also, like, why is overnight low going with it? It's following the price. Carlos, Tesla is broken.
Wait, what did you say?
No, Tesla is overnight low. Just follow Tesla. It's gonna take time, but chart looks bad, but still see interest on NASA contracts here. But I would not knife catch this. Sorry. Yeah, Nvidia pulled down to overnight low. They took out the low. P-Lod coming. Only thing me to first is that could still see this, but just continue selling. Is my CVD wrong? A bit. Its direction is upwards anyway. Yeah. One for me is that ES has no support whatsoever here. Oh yeah. Oh, never mind. We just took the low 68.15, 68.14. But yeah, Alex, it didn't help going to for Nasdaq to get my payout faster. There's some slight buying there. You guys took that low. It's 13. Yeah, right here. Yeah. I still see buying on Nasdaq here, and ES took that daily liquidity. Oh wow. Yeah, there was some interest there. Good to see. Yeah. Did you enter? Then I missed it. No. No. SVD looks still good here on the upside. Could just be a popped sell also. That's always a possibility. But uh, 606. Yeah. Yeah.
That's 601 it right there.
It's long.
Yeah, I'm in longs.
Where's the stop? $65, right? Or $64.
Give or take.
Yeah, I missed that so hard. Wow.
Yeah. I looked up from my screen for 2 seconds.
Oh no, I don't like that interaction there. I want this to like choo and stay with that. That was slight resistance for me. If we're gonna see a new low, 660. Yeah. Don't like how that is making selling here. No, I wanted to hold there on the 1 minute imbalance. Google sold, yes, sold. Microsoft looked good there, Apple also, but yeah. Mm. But it's so close to our stop now. That's with this move, right? So even if we the upside, we could still sell the low one. Volatility is crazy.
I'm very upset though because we had the entry. We all just like missed
Yeah,
it by
I
2
I
seconds.
I was almost B on the day with that pop if I took it.
Moving now.
Yeah. We should take some off here.
Yeah, I'm taking a trim. I can't. I want to close. I'm out there. I'm leaving.
Did you take some off, Alex? No. Mm. Oh. I think this can still sell. So that. Me too. I couldn't get off there. It just so aggressively sell the pop there. Oh yeah. 60 point. Yeah, it should tag us out here. Fuck. Sorry. I think based on the Nasdaq CVD, it looked like someone is adding big size to the upside on this down move, but that makes the candles spike down, or we just continue selling. But Nasdaq CVD is still going up, but I think we are screwed.
So then, Philip, with that divergence right there, with the CVD up on the Nasdaqs, and with the with this big candle down or past 2 candles, how do you
It
read
could
that?
be, but okay, I'm done for the day. Yeah, that's a big loss for me. That doesn't feel good. I'm gonna be honest.
Alex, are
Yeah,
you still in?
Oh, you didn't get tagged? Oh, you're
Uh,
out. Right? Yeah. We took full loss again, and that was big for me. So I'm gonna be out for the day with that.
yeah, I'm definitely done. Too volatile. My emotions are getting to me today. I'm good.
Yeah, I'm down over 100 points, so that's big for me. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh no. Yeah, I think, but yeah. But that was a big loss for me. I am almost, yeah. Oh yeah, that feels, yeah. CVD is still going up on Nasdaq. Yeah. 800 down on the day on 4 micros. Yeah, that's horrible. Yeah.
One, two, three, four. It's only 3 pieces.
I think I blowed my Apex account also, but who cares about those one? I think so. Yeah, I did. On the trailing. Yeah. Oh, I'm very angry at myself to not even take
It
anything off
is
that
warm in
things.
here.
It gave us
I
60
thought it
point
was just
twice.
me.
60 point twice. For me, that
Boy.
has so small accounts. 60
Ew.
points. Down. No, I don't. Yeah.
I mean, we were up what in that one move? I think we were up 40 points again, give or
60.
take. Yep. Yeah,
60.
60 points.
Twice.
Definitely, I feel like you should have taken out.
Alex has accounts who he can manage that. I don't have
Yeah,
that.
that's
So
what I
I
was saying.
should.
I don't have that type of account. That's why I kind of just ran with it. I took what I was given.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I agree. Yeah, Rich, like that, I'm gonna feel emotions also, by the way. It is how it is. You just don't react to them. At least on that first trade and now this 2 times 60 points. It's gonna sting for me.
I'm sorry, Philip. Say that one more time. I was looking at something. I'm building
Never mind.
a shelf.
Never mind. No, never mind. It's
You're
not.
good.
No, I was just gonna say you talked about emotions. I'm gonna feel like this also when I'm down 100 points and we were 60 points twice in profit, or even more 60 points on that first trade. I'm gonna feel it also. That's how it is. But you just don't. You just don't trade based on those feelings and chase it. More. That's.
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, I just took where I saw fit only because it,
Yeah,
I'm only
660 was a resistance for me. Small on the 2. That's reaction point where we will react for a new
upstairs.
leg lower. But
It's not right here. The
yeah, it looks good as long as we reacted at 660. I mean, you feeling fine, Alex? Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Same as me then. Yeah, yeah. It would have been feeling a lot better not having 60 point twice there. I'm gonna be honest. It was just so hard to scale out on those. I was watching that pop above the 660, which used to be like, yeah, to like 680, 700, Just that second. Yeah. You're not gonna trade more, Alex, right? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. 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 It looks like we're gonna up lower. I think someone is adding size into this downside overall. And we're gonna, based on how those wicks reacted, I think someone is pulling size in for longs, but I could be wrong though. Could be aggressive selling and just not seeing it on 2D. But I don't know if you want that, Alex. I think it's gonna rip eventually. Eventually, in time, you know. But yeah, but we missed that opportunity already. So
Yeah.
I just can't get more losses on a daily and like this. This is almost half the account size in one day for me. On the smaller account, not the big ones, but the lowest drawdown ones. Beyond 150k, that's 1.5k loss on 8 micros. Yeah, that's a lot on 8 micros also. It's like 2 weeks of good trading almost. 1.5.